Great seeing you here. Let's start with the next category of artifacts, which are the hierarchy charts. In this lesson, I will talk about 5 important hierarchy charts. The first is the organizational breakdown structure. We also have the product breakdown structure, the resource breakdown structure, the risk breakdown structure, and finally, the work breakdown structure. So let's have a look at these different hierarchy charts. When we look at hierarchy charts, we have in fact applications in business, project management, and other disciplines. Hierarchy charts show the hierarchy, for example, of an organization, starting from the top level management CEO and decomposing the organization gradually into smaller components like divisions, functions, teams, and so on. Hierarchy charts decompose the project or organization into smaller parts to show the different dependencies. The first hierarchy chart that we use in project management is the work breakdown structure. It is part of the scope management processes and it composes or decomposes the project into smaller parts. Just imagine building a house, it's the top level, and from here we identify smaller elements that will give us more insight into the work to be completed. The WBS composes the project up to work packages, which then later can be decomposed further to find the activities to complete. The organizational breakdown structure is another hierarchical chart, and here we combine the hierarchical representation of the project with the work breakdown structure, and it illustrates the relationship between project activities and the organizational units. The organizational breakdown structure illustrates the relationship between project activities and the organizational units that will perform the activities. It also provides cost accounts related to the work to be completed. The resource breakdown structure is the following hierarchical chart. Here we have a hierarchical overview of the resources necessary for the project and their hierarchies. The different resources are ordered by category and type. We see here people, materials, equipment. People can be related to project management, IT department, marketing, and so on, and the same with equipment or physical resources. The next thing is the product breakdown structure. Here we find the work to be completed and the elements that have to be completed to finish the product. So it contains all the elements that we have to complete in order to finish the product as we defined it. It also contains the deliverables necessary to create the product. The next one and the last one of this video is the risk breakdown structure, or the RBS. Managing risk is important, and the risk breakdown structure provides the hierarchy of the different risks that can affect the project's success. Risks can be categorized into 4 main categories: technical risk, management risk, commercial risk, and external risks. So that were the different hierarchical structures that we have. Let's have a look how they link to the different performance domain. The organizational breakdown structure links to the team, stakeholder, and planning performance domains. The product breakdown structure to the planning and the delivery performance domains. The resource breakdown structure to the team, planning, and project work performance domains. The risk breakdown structure to the project work performance domain, and the work breakdown structure to the planning, delivery, and the management performance domain. And for the risk breakdown structure, I forgot also the uncertainty performance domain. And we are at the end of this lesson again. We are looking, or we've seen all the artifacts, the hierarchy charts linked with the performance domains. In the next lesson, we're going to look at the next artifacts or series of artifacts, which are the baselines. That's it for this video. Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next lessons, and thank you. Bye bye.